for making jokes for kids, lol. Ah, really? Are you sure? Are you sure? Jokes is for just a kids? No, you're wrong. When you are not when you're silent person, even though you have already age, you are become boring. You know, boring. No one's to talk to you. No one's to make friends with you because you're such a boring. Kailangan may sugar. Good morning po, shall we? Yeah. Jokes, it's not for about the kids. It's for about human being. Yeah. Because example, you are a quiet person. The other person doesn't want you to be friends because you're such a boring, like, oh my god, this person is boring. I don't want to make friends with him. Yeah, like that. Sarap, sarap talaga yan. Sarap pala ha. Wait lang, bibigay ko sa'yo yung sarap, puking ina mo. Fly high di butterfly. Lumipad ka tuloy. You understand what I'm trying to say, Mr. or Sir, what is the name? Sir Daniel? Did you get it? Did you pull in your mind? May ganap ka bukas. Meron. Ano ako dito sa live ko, mag-underwear tsaka mag-bra. Yeah. The event here tomorrow is I will wear bra and underwear on my live. You want that? If I do that, give me a 1M. Okay? Yeah, tomorrow I accept a challenge. Anything challenge. Everything. Anything. Anywhere. Just click and subscribe. Totoo ba yan? Joke lang? Naniwala, gago. Tarantado po kayo naman. No, I didn't do that. I'm afraid of getting banned. You would make a good comedian, lol. No, I'm not. Because my dream course is to be a chef. Then when I become a chef, I will cook your head like a crispy head. Yeah, you want I will cook your head crispy head? O diba? Kakaiba yun, crispy yung ulo mo,